Hey, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to fly a plane in Airport Tycoon. But let me just claim this tycoon. It might take a while. Okay, 3.9 million. This one. Other YouTubers like have 100 million, 108. I watched this guy. He has 180 million. But it wasn't that good. So I'm gonna show you how to fly the plane. To be faster, I'm just gonna get a baggage car because I'm going to get a private jet. Just turn on engine. There we go. Turn left. Oh no, fighter jet. Nope. Private. Ow! Just U-turn. I'm gonna park it by the side. Here right now. RN. Oh my gosh. What the? That's so weird. Okay. You spawn this guy. I don't know if you like this color. They turn on the engine to this and open fire. Because some people don't know this. And now you can control it using your but anyways, now you can fly. So that's it. I'm just gonna reset. Oh no. Well, no. It just lagged. Click my money. Nope. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.